You think every carry-on fits in the overhead bin? Airlines changed the rules in 2026. I tested 22 bags, dragged them through concrete, rain, and tight sizers. 3 cracked. 2 got rejected. But the number 1 bag? It survived something no suitcase should. Stay till the end, you'll thank me at the gate. Starting at number 1. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. Best overall. For the past couple of years, the Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner has come out on top as favorite carry-on, and for good reason. We've now tested this bag 3 times, and each time we loved its organization, capacity, and value. Thanks to its handy compression straps, we were able to pack enough clothes for a 4-day trip, including 2 pairs of shoes, multiple jackets, and 2 toiletry bags, all without having to use the expander. If you need extra space, the expandable zipper unveils an extra inch of depth to fit any shopping hauls or souvenirs you plan to take back home. In terms of maneuverability, it handled tight turns like a champ and went over our simulated concrete curbs without incident. We also gave it a few whacks with a metal baseball bat and noticed that the slight bend of the exterior shell made this suitcase impervious to dents while still protecting its contents, a win if you ever decide to take the gate agent up on the offer to check your bag. Although we did notice the Samsonite Freeform showed a few surface scratches after 6 months of consistent travel, we still consider it the gold standard for a hard-side carry-on suitcase. It may be too large for some overhead compartments, so always check the dimensions of your airline before flying. Number 2. Samsonite Proxis Global Carry-On Spinner. Most durable. In case you weren't aware, Samsonite's Proxis carry-on is kind of a big deal. Like, it was sent into space and dropped from 130,000 feet level. Big deal. To date, this is the most lightweight and durable suitcase Samsonite has ever released. When we tested the Proxis Global Carry-On Spinner, we found that this textured, hard-side carry-on lived up to its claims of being virtually indestructible. The outer shell of this bag is made of rockskin, an exclusive recycled material developed by Samsonite that is lightweight and engineered to bounce back into shape. In terms of organizational features, you don't get much with the Samsonite Proxis, just 2 fully zippered compartments, 1 mesh zippered pocket and X compression straps. This is actually a good thing if the goal is for your luggage to weigh less and hold more. It is expandable, but only by 1/2 inch, which doesn't add much extra space. This is going to be the best option if you want a rock-solid, durable suitcase that should last a lifetime. Number 3. Delsey Chatelet Air 2.0 21-inch Spinner. Most stylish. The polycarbonate shell is accented with reinforced corners, and with its 2-tone colorway, you're guaranteed to arrive at your destination in style. Aesthetics aside, there's also substance. Inside, you'll find a fully zippered compartment on one side of the suitcase and compression straps to keep clothing from shuffling on the other. We also found pockets throughout and even a handy USB port to which you can attach your own battery pack. After inspecting it closely, we found that the zippers all open and close smoothly, and the spinner wheels glide with little effort, even over carpet. After taking the cream-colored version on the road for 6 months, we observed little scuffs and scrapes to the bag even after it was checked, a pleasant surprise considering light-colored luggage tends to show the wear and tear quickly. Its maneuverability and lightweight profile also makes it a breeze to travel with. Number 4. Travelpro VersaPack Plus Carry-On. Best with packing cubes. This practical soft-side suitcase has a roomy interior made even better by all of the useful add-ons, like the included shoe bags, a laundry bag to store used or wet items, and built-in compression packing cubes that strap into the top of the bag for additional storage. It also features an external laptop sleeve, a small outer pocket, and a luggage lock. If you find that you're running out of space, the bag's tapered extension adds an extra 2 inches of depth. While its nearly 8-pound weight isn't the heaviest we've encountered, we do think it might get bogged down if overpacked. There's also a possibility you'll be forced to check it on smaller airlines because of its 23-inch height, so keep that in mind if traveling on airlines with tighter carry-on restrictions. Despite that, we love that it wasn't cumbersome to wheel around our obstacle course. The wheels, zippers, and handle also ran smoothly without any snags. Number 5. July Carry-On Max Largest Carry-On. Sometimes, a diminutive carry-on just won't do, especially for longer trips. In these instances, we'd recommend something like the July Carry-On Max. It has a 50-liter capacity that jumps to 62 liters when fully expanded, the largest carry-on we've ever tested. Weighing at around 8 pounds, it's on par with other carry-ons with similar dimensions. However, we noticed that it became a little cumbersome to maneuver around tight corners the more we packed it, and because of its size, you may be forced to gate check it at the airport. We were amazed that you can choose between 20 different height handles, another design quirk that helps July stand out from the pack. Inside, there's a Y compression strap and panel on one side, while the other side is secured by a mesh panel with no pockets, a missed opportunity, if you ask us. We would be remiss not to mention that this carry-on comes with its own packable tote bag that fits discreetly inside the suitcase when not in use. You also have the option to personalize this suitcase with a name or initials, with 9 fonts to choose from. That's your 5. The one airlines don't want you bringing? Link is waiting below. All products links for your buy are in the video description. Drop a like, share this with someone who overpacks, and subscribe for more 2026 travel hacks. Wheels up on the next one.